Top 5 Best Uses of Quartz Stone in Your Home. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most popular materials used in modern home interiors, quartz stone. It's stylish, durable, and very easy to maintain. So let's take a look at the top 5 best uses of quartz stone in your house. First, kitchen countertops. Quartz is non-porous, which means it doesn't absorb stains or moisture. Turmeric, oil, hot utensils, quartz can handle them all. It stays shiny and clean with minimal effort, which makes it perfect for busy kitchen spaces. Next, bathroom vanity tops. Bathrooms have water, soap marks, and constant use. Quartz remains smooth and glossy even with daily cleaning. It resists moisture and does not lose color or shine over time, giving your bathroom a premium look. Third, quartz backsplash panels. Instead of using tiles, you can use a full quartz slab behind your countertop. It creates a seamless look with no grout lines to clean. This gives your kitchen a modern and elegant finish. Fourth, dining and coffee tables. Quartz tables look stylish and are very durable. They don't scratch easily and are great for everyday use. You get beauty and practicality in one. Finally, staircases and window sills. Quartz provides a sleek, neat finish and requires almost no maintenance. It stays the same for years without fading or chipping. So, quartz is versatile, strong, and beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more home interior tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.